Madam, why you
Ma'am, this side, ma'am, this side.
Please.
Ma'am, you resign?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, I have resigned, and I have resigned for valid reasons. I have resigned because the party that late Matani Saldana had joined, and after his demise, I stepped into his shoes, is no longer the same party. Okay? The party seems to have forgotten all its principles, and there is bedlam in the state. Okay? Nobody knows who's coming into the party, nobody knows who's going out of the party. Okay? And I attended the meeting yesterday of the party, and there was one sentence, I will not mention the sentence, but there was a certain sentence that was made by one of the stalwart leaders of the party that made me realize that it is time I left the party. And therefore I've handed in my resignation.
तुम्ही आप पार्टीत जॉईन जातले म्हणा.
ना and कसले डिसिजन अजून पासून घेवंक ना. जायत ते सगळे पार्टी आसा.
In touch.
In touch. Yes, they are all there. But I have to think, I have to consult. I will not do anything in haste. No matter who tries to persuade me, I will weigh the pros and cons. I will consult with the people of the constituency, and accordingly I will take it.
Madam, there was a
And when I'm ready, I will tell you.
Madam, there were
but
the
to
rumors
me-
that
but
you
to
will
me-
be joined up and resigned. This message was floating very 1 week back.
I'm not joining.
No, like will resign and likely to join the up this.
I've
One
told
of your
you,
supporters
when
also
I'm
said.
ready for it, I will inform you, and I will give you all the details.
मॅडम बट तुम्ही 2022 कंटेस्ट करतली इलेक्शन
Yes,
तुम्ही कंटेस्ट करतली
totally.
ओके बट पार्टी डिसाइड करू ना
पार्टी
तुम्ही
तुमकां टिकेट दिवची ना म्हणून तुम्ही डिसिजन घेतला.
हांव नको पार्टी दितली ओ ना, पार्टीन म्हाका सांगूंक ना अजून. जायते आयकलां, पूण पार्टीन म्हाका सांगूंक ना.
तुम्ही एक मेन्शन केले कालच्या मिटिंगेची तुमकां ह्युमिलेट बीन केले मिटिंगेन कालची मिटिंग कोण तरी एक स्टॉलवर्ड लिडरान कितें सेंटेन्स म्हटले ते तुमकां ह्युमिलेट केला.
No, nothing personal, please. Let's not misunderstand. There was nothing personal. This was a statement made with some principles,
Okay.
which I feel that no good party can tell its karyakarte.
म्हणजे रॉंग डायरेक्शन बीजेपी वयता अशें म्हणटा तुमी जॉईन करतली तेंचे फुडें तुमचें हेंच म्हणणें आसतलें रिगार्डींग 3 लिनियर प्रोजेक्ट.
See, I have to study the other 2 projects, but yes, highway, I'm quite convinced, because highway passes through the wildlife sanctuary, okay, and I was a forest minister. I know the rules, the laws that govern a wildlife sanctuary. I know what can be allowed and cannot be allowed in a wildlife sanctuary.
आणि रिगार्डींग रेल्वे डबल ट्रॅकिंग यू विल बी अपोज.
Totally opposed.
Ma'am,
And
you have talked.
It will be the destruction of the lives of the people. Hundreds of houses will be destroyed. And I took the Honorable Chief Minister on the tracks to show him where the second track will land. Because I was informed by the
Railway authorities.
railway authorities that from the center of the existing track, you need 14 meters to lay the second track. And I personally marked the 14 meters. And in almost all cases, the marking landed inside the compound of these houses.
Okay.
And in certain cases, it landed on the veranda of the houses. Will the people be able to live in those houses? Some of those houses are built, some of those houses are newly constructed on the old plinth. Okay? The men have gone away from their families to earn so that they can make a home for their family. Shall we destroy it? For what benefit? That's the question.
Ma'am, you have talked with the BJP leaders regarding your leaving the party.
You inform anybody?
No, I have just informed the
Speaker.
No.
The speaker.
Apart from the speaker
Party
and
leaders.
party leaders,
and president
you
party
are leaving
That
the
you are
party.
leaving the
I
party.
have spoken several times to many people, and In fact, even my supporters have spoken,
Okay.
and the issue that comes up are these projects.
You also resigned
I
from...
cannot change my stand. My conscience will not allow, because I am an elected representative. That means it is the people that have placed their trust in me. I cannot betray their trust.
I mean, what
Madam,
was the
you
response
have-
of the BJP leaders when
Most important of all, if I am here today, I was never meant to be a politician. If I am here today, it is because I am in the shoes of late Mata.